Good morning. Welcome to Farm Life. As you see, it's a wet, rainy day today. So we have Loretta and the rest of them all in stalls this morning, and I'll introduce you to them. This is Bella. Yeah. And this down here is Laredo. Hey, girl. And this is Chestnut. I just call her Mama. And you'll see her coat here in just a second. And here's her colt. Here is Moose. Hey, buddy. And of course, as we begin with, this is Loretta. This is our little donkey. And that's our family here at Farm Life. Well, I have finished the pecan orchard today. I've got 9 of them out through there. And I have planted them to the specs of Tony Smith, who knows what he's talking about. And I believe, the good Lord's willing, there will be children playing under them and in them and eating pecans for many generations to come. And that's it for this week. Everyone have a blessed day and a blessed week.